Soybeans soared after those big reports were released on Friday by USDA, while wheat struggled. Michelle Rook is back with more on the numbers and what they mean for the markets going forward.
And grains closed mostly higher after the reports on Friday. Darren Fry, Water Street Solutions, joins us. And Darren, let's pick apart a few of the numbers, because soybeans, really, we had bullish numbers for both quarterly stocks and for acreage, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. I mean, acres came in, under the trade guess, so that was supportive to new crop. But I think missing the old crop inventories by 57 million under the trade guess was a big deal. And we're about 250 million under where we were last year the same time. So with a 210 carryout, you'd have to think here on the April WASDE, we'd be marking that down to 170, 180 at least in that next report.
No doubt we're going to be well below that. So talk about what that means for prices going forward. And do we continue to see the forward spreads work in here?
Yeah, both spreads been working for a long time, and it's been a little bit of a mystery, especially as old crop got weak here over the last few weeks. But we've seen that almost completely reverse itself. And now you would think that we would move higher here with these numbers today. Now, it could be that they're built in. It could be that the rally that we've had up until the report and the rally we had, on the report really gave us the move that the market needed. But we really got to watch action as we go into next week and take a look at what happens with price action. If we get under 14.90 on closing basis versus May, then I think that would signal a problem. I think I want to see the market continue higher here in old crop.
On face value in the corn, stocks look bullish. 92 million acre corn figure looked kind of bearish, but the key there is, are we going to get it all planted?
Yeah, I think that's true. We didn't see much in old crop compared to old crop beans, but they were up 9-10 cents. The new crop corn was unchanged pretty much. But will we get it all planted? We have a lot of snowpack up in the Northwest. There's more snow coming. And there'll be a question whether their prevent plant will be something the farmer chooses up there. And so with 92 million acres, that's plenty if we get it all planted. But if we don't, we could see that number drop to 89 real quick with PP.
And prices, we still see the forward spreads working. Do you think old crop corn is going to continue to push past these resistance areas now that we're in?
Well, it's not as bullish as the soybeans because the inventory numbers were really about what the trade expected, but it was supportive, and We'll see what happens. We don't want to see closing price action under 650 May corn, or I think anytime we get under what the pre-report numbers were, then everybody's discounting what the report said. So I think 14.90 in beans and 650 are going to be important numbers next week.
And just quick, nothing real bullish for wheat, and so wheat just kind of followed corn and soybeans.
Yeah, wheat had a few more acres than what the trade was expecting, and then EU came out earlier this week and talked about their ending stocks being up, exports being down, and so there's just not an immediate concern that we're going to run out of wheat supplies right now, and so that'll be an anchor on corn as well.
All right, thanks so much for joining us. Darren Fry, Water Street Solutions. Our full analysis at agweb.com, and more Ag Day is coming up.
For marketing strategy specific to your operation, contact Water Street Solutions at 866-249-2528 or online at www.waterstreet.org.